Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Monthly heating costs can depend on several factors, such as local temperatures, regional fuel costs and the efficiency of your equipment. An average home that uses 150 BTU of heat per winter might expect to pay around $1,800 in heating costs for the season, or around $500 per month in December, January and February. 20 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Electric furnaces are generally less expensive to purchase than gas furnaces and cheaper to install. The cost of a new electric furnace ranges from $1,000 to $2,500, while a gas furnace will cost between $3,000 and $4,000 before installation. 20 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The average cost range for purchasing and installing a gas furnace designed to heat a 2,000 square foot home with a 97% efficiency rating ranges from $3,000 to $8,000, with most homeowners spending around $6,000 total. 12 June 2020.
Take our lead.
The national average cost of a standard efficiency natural gas furnace ranges from $2,150 to $5,900, with most homeowners paying around $3,100. The price may vary based on brand, complexity of install, and the efficiency of the new unit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.